Imagine a future where artificial intelligence seamlessly integrates into every aspect of our lives. But what kind of hardware would be required to support such a future? As we continue to explore the vast potentials of AI, we're seeing an increasing integration of this technology in various sectors, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and transportation. This integration is not without its demands. It calls for hardware that can support the heavy computation and data processing requirements of AI systems. At present, the hardware we have is doing a commendable job, but it's like asking a jack of all trades to become a master of one. Our current processors, built as general-purpose units, try to juggle multiple tasks. But when it comes to AI, we're dealing with a different beast, one that requires specialized handling. So, we face a challenge. How do we meet these growing demands without overloading our current hardware? The solution to this problem might lie in custom AI processors specifically designed to handle AI tasks. So, how do custom AI processors stack up against general-purpose processors? Well, the differences in performance between these two types of processors are quite stark. General-purpose processors, like the ones you'd find in your everyday computer or smartphone, are designed to handle a variety of tasks. They are the jacks of all trades, capable of managing everything from browsing the web to running complex software. On the flip side, custom AI processors are specifically designed to carry out a single task: processing artificial intelligence algorithms. They are the masters of one, and that one task they do exceedingly well. This task-specific design allows them to operate with much greater efficiency and performance. They can process AI tasks faster, more accurately, and with less power consumption than their general-purpose counterparts. So when it comes to AI applications, it's like comparing a Swiss Army knife to a finely honed scalpel. Custom AI processors with their task-specific design have the potential to outperform general-purpose processors in AI applications.